So, let's create our first app. Click Add New App, then enter your app name. Here is your new created app. Click Manage App. Now let us configure our application. Click App Configuration. First of all, let us set the landing URL, or homepage URL of our app. Copy the URL of any page on your website you would want to be the landing. Paste it here. Select the language, header style, navigation style. Upload your app logo. Because I selected bottom navigation, I get to choose the style. Disable the header and footer, because I don't want to show the headers and footers of my website in my app. Leave JavaScript enabled. Same with walkthrough and splash screen. Set zoom functionality to no. Set web RTC to no, and enable pull to request. Select your favorite walkthrough style. You can skip cookies. Enable exit pop-up screen, and turn off floating button unless you need it. Click Save.